My name is Dr. Sean Chenoweth. I am the Director of Technology for the new Masters of Science in Geographic Information Science and Technology at Jacksonville State University. My main job at the university is to coordinate all the technology that's necessary for the graduate program. I'm also involved in the undergraduate program as well, but I'm responsible for software maintenance, also responsible for the drone operations. I have my FAA Part 107 drone pilot's license, and I also teach a lot of the upper level technology courses in geographic information systems, and I also teach a class solely dedicated to drone flight and mapping. We have mapping grade LiDAR, we have drones that are for videography, and we have mapping grade GPSs that you can use. It's all hands-on. You learn on site. We go outside of the classroom, collect data, and then we come back in and we process data in the lab. And then we also teach you how to interpret the data and encourage you to go to conferences and write papers. So there is a huge demand for students who know geographic information systems and remote sensing and global positioning, but also a growing need for students who understand drone technology. The students in the Geographic Information Science and Technology program, we have a dedicated computer lab downstairs, and it has all of our geographic information system software, remote sensing software, and the drone mapping software. The students in class learn how to use the software. They go through many lessons. They're hands-on, and they're guided by the instructor. So students leave this program with the skills that they need to go out and go directly to work. There's very little on-job training that they'll need when they leave this program because it's a master's degree in geospatial science. My current research and also my past research, it allows students to see what I've done, and I share my experiences with them. And as much as possible, I try to find students who are interested in the type of research that I do so that I can get them to help me with doing field research and also library research and lab research as well. All right, so if you're interested in geography or any kind of geospatial information technology, JSU is the place for you to come. We've got an excellent undergraduate program, and you can transition into our new graduate program in Geographic Information Science and Technology. We have more equipment. We have an awesome lab in which you can learn GPS technology, drone technology, and these are tools of the industry. You can leave here and go get a job, and you're going to have very little on-job training. This is a place where you can come and get the skills and go to work and have a great life.